Hello friends, this is Vishal Hussain and today we are going to discuss the topic of polymorphism, interfaces, and let's start. PHP, just write PHP and start with writing interfaces. So friends, interfaces have three properties which we must remember. The first thing being is interfaces can be inherited multiply. There is multiple inheritance in interfaces. Second is interfaces should not have any kind of member functions definition, member function definition, and any member variable defined. Okay, and we just write the interface, and I just give you the example of this. Our interface shape, interface keyword, name of the interface, shape. First one is defined here. Okay, now I just try to solve out. Now I have done the exactly opposite thing, that is defined one member function here. Okay, member function is being defined here. Let's see what the error is there. Interface shape cannot contain body. So it gives the error that the interface shape cannot have this body. Only the output is, only the declaration is there. Now if I define the member variable, what error is there? Interface may not include member variables. It gives the interface may not include member variables. And the third one is, friends, interface is always public. Scope of visibility is public. If I do it private, and let's see what happens. It gives access type private, method shape, it must be omitted. It must be public, and I just give it public. And now see, no error is there. It means it is running completely fine. Now moving forward, I have already defined a class rectangle here. Just copy paste it. There is a class rectangle which implements shape name interface and type name interface. So I just copy paste type name interface like this, and here I go. Interface name type is here, and one wake function value is being defined so that we may able to know that there is multiple inheritance in the polymorphism. There is interface. So friends, while defining the term polymorphism, we may say that poly means many and morph is forms. So this interface can be, this shape interface can be used by rectangle. It can be used by other classes like circle, pyramid, and parallelogram, like that. So this shape can be used in different ways. So that's why we say polymorphism. Poly means many and morph means form. So here we have a class named rectangle that's implementing one interface shape here and one type interface here. And we have defined in the rectangle there is one member variable height, one member variable width, one member function is being defined here, which is in the shape interface value 1, value 1. We just give it the value 1 and return the multiplied value of this, like we have length into breadth or length into width of this rectangle. Another for showing the multiple inheritance, I have given one function name here and just given out the value for that. Now friends, let's call this out and see what the result is. I copy pasted that also like this. Object underscore rectangle is equal to new rectangle. That is a class is being instantiated here. This is the instance. Object rectangle calls calculate area here, and 55 is being dropped here, and we get the returned height into width, and then we get the returned hello. Now let's see where the output is there or not. Yes, output is being there. Output is coming. There is one space already there, so we can remove this one. Now let's see what happens. It goes up, and this our class. Now what happens if I have another class named circle and implement same shape and type, and what would be its output? I have shown that. So I have another class named circle which implements shape and type, and public height and public width is there. We can say that this is a radius for the sake of value. So we change the value simultaneously here, width, radius, and also height. Here goes height. This is also radius. Okay, so we may differentiate it like radius 1, and it is radius, simple radius, and just call this function. Calling can be done here, likewise I have done already. We can call it here. Simply change the name rectangle for the convenience of understanding. So here is circle object near a circle. This class is being instantiated here. Circle. So object circle is here. Now object circle calculates the area. Here this is the radius. Now if I give the radius 5 and here also 5, we get return. I have returned the value 3.14 into pi r square. This is 3.14 into r. This is being returned here, and we have echoed the value and well function, because this is also inheriting the type. We can remove type here easily because that purpose has been solved, of showing that here the polymorphism can have both the have multiple inheritance. We have shown here. So let's check it out, the answer. Factor call to undefined function. Well, yes, this line must be removed. Let's remove this line and just check it out. Yes, the answer is being coming. This is the radius, this is the length into breadth rectangle, and this hello is being shown here. So just wrap it up. Share. There is an interface. Interfaces can have multiple inheritance. Member function definition and member variable cannot be defined here. Interface is always having public visibility, cannot have private protected. I have shown this first interface, second interface, and then rectangles having the both the interfaces, and we have instantiated and shown the output, instantiated and shown the output, and that's it for today. Thank you.